With the development of smartphone performance falling into a bottleneck, everyone now pays more attention to the performance of flagship mobile phones. There is also a significant increase in the pixel size of smartphone cameras. Many models come with a 100MP camera, however, the industry is gunning for more. This year, South Korean manufacturing giant, Samsung, will launch a 200MP camera. Initial speculations claim that the Xiaomi 12 will be the first to use this camera. However, it is now clear that the Xiaomi 12 will come with a 50MP main camera with a super outsole. This means that the 200MP will not come with a 200MP sensor. However, this does not mean that Xiaomi will not launch a smartphone with a 200MP sensor. According to @Universes, Xiaomi will use Samsung's 200MP camera. In the second half of next year, the first company to use this camera will be Motorola. In other words, although Xiaomi fails to debut the 200MP sensor, it will still launch a 200MP model next year. From the time point of view, it is possible that the Xiaomi Mix 5 series will be the first to use the 200MP main camera. There is only a 200MP sensor such as the Samsung ISOCELL HP1 on the market. It is based on Samsung's most advanced 0.64mm technology and has an ultra-high resolution ISOCELL HP1 in a small package. This can integrate perfectly into various smartphones of today. In order to pursue a more extreme low-light shooting effect, ISOCELL HP1 adopts the new chameleon cell technology as a pixel synthesis technology. It can use 44, 22, or full pixel mode according to the use environment.